f-150 here. I don't know if you can hear that rumbling right there. I just let off the gas. And I put my foot on the brake. And then the noise stops. So right now I'm going 50. And I'm giving it gas right now, and it's not making the vibration. So going 60, I let off the gas and it's vibrating. And then I gave it more gas and the vibration stops. I can also give it the brakes and it will make the vibration stop. But right now it's vibrating, I'm in neutral, no brakes, and then I put it on the brakes and then it stops. So I have a bad U-joint on my drive shaft, and it's the rear U-joint. There's two of them, and on mine, what's causing the vibration is the rear U-joint.